Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Deidre. If you're returning, it's great to see you. So I am starting my morning. I've already used the neti pot. I've just taken all my meds for my allergies. I feel like I have so many boogers in my face right now. But I got my coffee. I've got my cottage cheese. I got a banana. And then I have a slice of toast in the toaster. Not gonna lie, I'm also gonna stick a few donut holes onto my plate. Because it's Christmas Eve and why not? We are watching Paddington Bear right now. Hunter is playing. I did get him breakfast. The dogs have already been fed and it's 8:15. I have to shower so that I can go pick up, well, I don't have to shower before I go, but I have to go pick up our dinner at Honey Baked Ham store and then shower when I get back so we can get ready for Christmas Eve, whatever that's going to entail tonight. I'm not quite sure what's all happening. We're still waiting for updates on that front. So we're just gonna make the best of it and enjoy our day. I still need to edit yesterday's video so I can put it up today. All right, so I've already gone and picked up the ham. They did not have our cornbread, so I ended up getting mac and cheese, which I don't normally do for Christmas, but we got green bean casserole and au gratin potatoes, so I didn't want to get another potato. I didn't want to get cinnamon apples because I'm going to make a pumpkin pie, and I didn't want broccoli, so we got mac and cheese. And then they didn't even have, I bought a 3.6 pound ham or something. They didn't even have that size anymore. They were out of them. So they gave me like 2 other hams that equaled more in weight than the 3.6 that I bought. So I have all that back there. I stopped and picked up some lunch for my husband and I and our son. Now I'm headed home. I gotta grab the mail real quick because there was I get scans of our mail when it comes in, so I know what's coming. For the most part, sometimes there's like other things that aren't scanned, but there was a interesting letter that I'm curious what it's about. So I want to go get that because I really want to know what that's about. Yeah, so things are still up in the air as far as how today's gonna go. I know we're still planning on trying to go over and see my husband's grandparents since they're in town at my mother-in-law's house, but I don't know if my mother-in-law is going to be there or not, or what's going, I don't know what's going on. So just, if you wouldn't mind keeping our family in your thoughts, that would be awesome. Obviously I'm not going to disclose people's personal information, about what's going on, because that's not my information to share. But we could use all the positive thoughts and prayers and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna get showered so I can do my hair at least, and maybe throw on a little bit of makeup. I don't know, we'll see. I feel like I need to neti pot again because I just feel super stuffy today. But I don't know if I will. I might, just because I'm so stuffy. But yeah, my neighbor's fire alarms are going off. They're out of town, and she's like, "Can you go fix it?" I was like, "Oh, I don't know how to fix your fire alarms," but my husband might try and go over and see if he can figure it out, so we can try and shut them off, because otherwise they're just gonna keep going off, and they have 2 dogs over there that I'm sure that's hurting their ears. So yeah, but I'm gonna grab the mail, and I will check in with y'all in a little while. Hello. I decided I was going to film me getting ready for Christmas Eve. We are going to go over there. We do have an update on things. So we're just going to keep being positive and hoping for the best. So we're just going to be together as a family today. Like my earrings, the little lights. So I'm just doing this primer. I'm going to put it all over my face. We are going to try some new makeup right now. Or I've been sitting on because I wanted to try it with you guys. And then I haven't gotten around to it. I did just do my skincare, so that's why my skin is all shiny. So I got this Physicians Formula palette. Sorry, it's kind of washing out. And this is a double mascara. And then these are eyeliners, I believe. Yeah. So we're gonna try it out today. I've had it for a little bit, but I haven't used it. And it just opens like that. It does come with this little brush. But we're gonna try it. Oh, it looks like it's all shimmers. So I need a non-shimmery color. Is there any non-shimmery ones on this one, or are these all shimmers too? Let's start the transition. I want. This one will work. Is that a blush? Yeah, that's a blush. Okay. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And this is in the Vacay palette. And I'm just gonna put it all over my lid and in my crease. I'm not doing anything fancy today. I'm just putting on a little bit of makeup. I normally do my base first lately, but I'm gonna do my eyes first because I don't know how the fallout's gonna be in this other palette. So, alright. I'm not going for perfection either. I'm just going for quick. So let's see what colors we have. Let's do. I think I'm gonna try these two colors on my eyelid, and then maybe I'll do a darker color in my crease, not off of this palette because it doesn't have a thing for that. Let's see. I'm just gonna go boop, 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 boop. Okay. Did I get it all? It's hard to tell. No. I'm gonna use my finger because sometimes your fingers are your best method for application. Okay. Let me find a darker crease color. You see them? My hair, sorry. I'm a mess. Alright. No, I swear, I know when I do my makeup, it just never looks like it when I do my makeup with you. I feel like I'm so sloppy when I do my makeup with y'all. I'm sorry. I really do know how to do my makeup, I promise. I know how to blend and everything. So I'm doing the Ulta Beauty palette, and I'm doing this color right here, and this color right here. I'm just gonna go back and forth, tap off the excess. Oh, I'm so tired today. I put too much product in my hair too, and that's bugging me when I was blowing it out. Right. And then we're gonna do, what does this color look like? Alright, 6 minutes in, I've only done my eyes. I am dropping the ball. So this is... Yeah. Oh, that's a pretty color. I'm gonna do that color. I don't normally do eyeliner, but we're gonna do eyeliner today, why not? Like one of my neighbors is coming outside. Because I'm like overlooking everyone's backyards right now. My next door neighbor's fire alarms are going off. So my husband went over there to get them shut off for them since they're not here and we don't want their dogs to freak out. Because my dogs would freak out listening to that for hours. Eyelash down here. I envy people that can actually see. Ugh, I hate being so damn blind all the time. Here's the eyeliner. I think I might smudge it out a little bit. Or like, I don't know, make it look like I'm, you know, not always a train wreck. Well, my 2-year-old got very upset with me that he could not have the ham I picked up for lunch today because it's for dinner tomorrow. And so he was very upset with me about it because how dare I? Shame on me. But, alright, so there's that. I gotta take that off my hand before I forget. Alright. We're gonna do face and then do the eyebrows and the mascara last. It took him almost about 45 minutes to settle down for nap time today. Yay. But he finally did. So I'm glad. So he can be rested for his afternoon with his cousins and his grandparents and his great-grandparents. Alright. I'm gonna do the, to even show you what, this is the, I always use that. Y'all, I'm a mess right now. I'm so sorry. Concealer. And then this is the foundation I'm gonna go with today. Thought about doing cream makeup today and I didn't feel like it. So here we are. My husband is sweetly trying to clean up the kitchen for me because I asked him to, so that way when we come home tonight, there's not so much to do, since we have to get milk and cookies for Santa and reindeer carrot out. And so I asked him if he wouldn't mind doing that for me so I could get ready for his families. I think I need a little more for coverage. I feel like I still got some real skin peeking through. Which is fine, I don't mind real skin. I just want the color to be more even. I feel like I'm very glowy today. Is it just me? Oops. Sorry, guys. I just threw on a tank top. I didn't want to put on I'm going to wear a long sleeve shirt since it's still so cold. But I didn't want to put on the long sleeve shirt while I was getting ready. I'd be sweating to death. I feel like I look really white. Do I? Who knows? Let's see. Look at that. Just trying to make sure I'm blended out really well and that it doesn't like settle anywhere funky. All right. Time for brows. I'm just gonna do this Anastasia Beverly Hills sample of the brow, whatever. So I don't have to worry about coloring them in today. Just put a little color in them. Ooh, those are real dark. Don't worry, I'll fix them. I'm sorry, I'm so low energy right now. I told my husband I'm just not feeling good. Because I'm so stuffy, like I just can't breathe. All the dogs are outside right now doing their potty breaks. I see the pug over here. There's a husky over there. There was a dog over here too. Mine are inside. One of them would desperately love to be outside, but it's just too cold. So I'm gonna let those set before I clean up the stuff. Okay, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do bronzer. I'm gonna do this bronzer. It is called Sun Bath. I don't know who makes it. Sun Bath Baked Bronzer in the color Play. I swear I brought my brush over here. I guess I didn't. I'm gonna use this brush here. I tried to lay everything out so I was ready to go. They have two dogs over there. There's the husky and some other dog who's already at their back door like, hey, let me in, let's go over here. The pug's probably already in too. He's funny. His name is Otis from Milo and Otis. And he loves me. Every time he sees me, he comes running over to come visit. I like him. He's cute. He likes my son too. And he'll wait for us if he sees us out walking. He'll make his owners wait for us to catch up. Because he's like, nope, those are my friends. Alright. I think that's a pretty bronzer. It's like not too much. I don't feel like you can mess it up a whole lot. I feel like I'm super glowing right now. Like maybe that's why I'm a little crazy on. Like in the mirror, it looks like real dark, but like on camera, it looks really pretty. God, I really am like you can't even see. Like I'm super glowy. Is this a glowing primer? I don't know. Or maybe it's my skincare. But I'm definitely glowing. Nothing wrong with that though, right? Alright, I'm just gonna use the same brush to do my blush. I always use this palette by Lunar Beauty. It's one of my favorite blush palettes. Although I never normally use those two colors. I usually just do boop, boop. And then well, I'm definitely super whatever's. Yeah. Sorry, words are hard. Alright, I'm gonna use this Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Powder in Incandescent Strobe Light. Like I love, I've had this for so long. I've barely, like I've used it a lot, but not that you can tell. I don't even need this with as glowy as I am with all my other stuff. Alright, we're gonna powder. We're gonna powder our face up. I'm gonna use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 110 Porcelain. Same brush, because why not? Oh, someone's awake, I hear him. Alright. Now we're gonna go over my eyebrows real quick. I should probably use some powder to set them. Alright, now we just gotta do mascara, right? And we're done. Go us. So I am gonna try their mascara. It says Shimmer Strips Glam Green Eyes. So it's a double-sided. So that's the wand. Let's try it. Is it just me? Is that covering it all? I guess it is. Not very impressive. Alright. I think that's it, guys. Alright. That's the finished look we're gonna go with. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That took a lot longer than I expected it to. I apologize. That was not my intention. So I'm trying to make my, it's putting my cheeks look real. I am gonna spray my face too, though. I don't think my husband's gonna go get my baby, so I'm gonna have to go get him. Alright. There you go.